Hi everybody and welcome to today's technical analysis, and today we would be looking at one of our favorite coin, and that will be BNB. BNB has had a very good run this bull run, or even the bear market, as you can see in the past few months stroke days. BNB has really been outperforming even Bitcoin. As you can see, the price about a 1% increase in price. We've seen is 280, and we'll just be looking at the technical analysis for BNB and see how it's really going to perform. As you can see, BNB really had a very nice run last month, and we've had a huge dip, and now we are just sideways. We're just moving in the sideways. Very interesting news has been coming out for BNB. We've seen various improvements on the BNB smart chain, right? We've seen a lot of improvements by Binance, and we already know BNB, it's Binance coin, right? Binance native coin, and so everything on the Binance ecosystem, right, is done on BNB, and its CEO, CZ, has really been doing a lot of things to really increase the use case for Binance. As you can see, a lot of games, right, are launching on the BNB chain, a lot of positive deals, and they will just be looking at the technicals to just see what BNB is going to do in the past few days and in the past few hours. So let's move to the chart. Right now we're at the chart, and this is the 15 minutes time frame technical analysis for BNB, right? And this, we're looking at BNB, and this is BNB, and BNB on the 15 minutes time frame is already pushing a kind of really bullish divergence a little, right? We could just see a very little bullish divergence that is showing up on BNB, right? And even though we've been moving in a sideways action for a long time right now, for the past few days, it's just been a normal sideways action from about a high of about 282 to our low of 276. As you can see, there's a high support at 272 for BNB. So on the short term, I believe it's going to go on a rally because of the Ethereum merge, right? We still expect some little upside before a huge dump that we can see in the market. If you go to our higher time frames, which is 30 minutes time frame, we could see, right, it's actually moving as expected, right? We could see our rebound already flipping bullish, right? And so we're expecting some little pump and then a dump as we every coin on our 1 hourly. We could see that our 1 hourly rebounds are already turning right bullish, right? Even we could see our MACDs has crossed to the upside, and even our RSI. So everything is screaming a little bullish for the moment. So we're expecting some little bullish price action for this week, right? As you can see, even on the 4 hours, right? Our candles are above the rebound. So we could say it's fairly bullish, even though we have some little resistance around this place, but we could say it's fairly bullish. And we're expecting some little price action before it comes down. And that's it for BNB. BNB has really done a lot. And so we're looking for the next target for BNB to should be around maybe the $300 mark because of the merge that's coming in a few days. So we expect some little pump in the price of BNB. As you can see, it's about to turn bearish, right? The our ribbon on the daily actually turned very bullish for BNB, right? Which made BNB very bullish. But as you can see, it's being rejected around that 286 region, which is a very bad sign. Which is a very bad sign, because trust me, if the rebound turns, we are going to be seeing BNB next first around the 215 region, and next around the 203 region, right? So we want to make sure that BNB, right, is able to surpass this resistance of the 289, and therefore but I believe that we could see BNB at around 306, as you can see, in a few days, right? Let's just continue to watch, right? And as you can see, there is forming a bullish divergence on the RSI, right? If you go to the other chart, we're going to see, right, everything is confirming what we've been saying, right? Especially from the 3 days, right? From the 3 days, we could see that uh, the RSI or the stock RSI it's at the low, right? So we might just expect some another day of sideways price action before we see an upward move, right? The RSI is still at the midpoint and around the 50% range. We could see, even though the MACD is forming a very, very bearish divergence, right? This is a bearish divergence. This is very, very bearish for the MACD. And that's why we say we will just see some little pump and then a massive dump in price. If we go to the daily, confirming everything we have been looking at, we see that our stock RSI is saying that we have some upside. As you can see, confirming our bias, right? Even our MACD forming a very, very a bullish MACD, sorry, a bullish divergence on the MACD, right, and even on the RSI and even on the stock RSI. So, fairly, BNB looks very bullish. So we're expecting around the 306 mark, right? If you hit the 306, maybe some little price action, then it moves up, and then comes down hard, right? So we're expecting some little upside for BNB and sure that BNB will be able to move up and to its target of around 306 before it dumps. So that's just the price analysis on Bitcoin on BNB, sorry, short and sweet, respecting upward price action. Don't be over leveraged because the market is very, very heated right now. As you can see, there's a lot of sideways action going, taking out both the longs and the shorts, right? So please don't over leverage. If you like the channel, if you like the analysis, please click on the subscribe button. Please share with your friends. Click on the like button, right, for more videos like this. Thank you and God bless.